Hello guys, I am Serging. In today's video I'm going to be breaking down gold and doing some analysis on what I'm looking for in the next week, and it's going to be based purely on technicals. So let's get started, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So starting at the monthly time frame, you can see that gold has been showing some weakness. You can see this big wick that it created, marking out the 50% of this week was my price level that I was aiming for the previous week, and you can see that we've reached into it. And going down to the weekly time frame, you can see that before reaching up into that price level, we first swept out this previous week's low and filled this fair value gap right here, and also rejected back into the previous candlesticks range, closing above the fair value gap, which indicated a strong momentum to the upside. And also I was waiting for a retracement back to the 50% of this week before moving higher. And on a daily time frame, you can see that after reaching down to the 50% of that week, we broke above this high right here, reaching up into this fair value gap, which also aligns with the 50% of the previous month's week. And also after reaching into this area right here, I'm going to be breaking down what happened. You can see that on Thursday we swept out Wednesday's high and made a structure shift on an hourly time frame, which was a strong indicator that the price might be showing some weakness. You can see that after sweeping out the previous day's high, we made a structure shift by breaking this low right here and a retracement back into this range and targeting these equal lows right here, which also aligns with the fair value gap. And after taking out these previous equal lows, you can see that price is currently in a fair value gap in a daily. You can see that price is currently residing in a daily fair value gap, this right here. So going in the next week, what I'm looking for is either a retracement back into this fair value gap, to take out this low. And if we do take out this low before retracing back into this fair value gap, I'm waiting for a structure shift to the upside, aiming for this price level right here. And also keep in mind that currently gold is not performing well. It's somehow tricky. So guys, make sure that you subscribe, like and share this video. And also don't forget that everything that is being said in this video is only for educational purposes, and nothing should be taken as a financial advice. And see you in the next video.